Do you have dark spots? Do you have blemishes? Do you have acne, pimples? This remedy will help to erase them finally. So you have to continue watching because there are so many informations you need to know how this can help you to clear them away finally. So this is 100% natural, like natural ingredients. I use some active ingredients combined together to ensure that you have no dark spots, to ensure that you have no pimples, acne, whichever. So in case you're new here for the first time, you're so welcome. I share beauty tips using natural way to make sure you have great skin, to make sure you are looking younger, to make sure your skin is always glowing even with no makeup. Consider subscribing if you love it. Also like this video and share this video. Let's go on. So for this treatment, I added turmeric. You can see the treatment is showing turmeric color, and that is because turmeric is very effective at clearing away dark spots. It also contains antibacterial properties as well that ensures that those acne are dried off and clear away. It kills the bacteria that is causing those acne or pimples. Aside that, turmeric glows the skin. You just love your skin looking so naturally beautiful always. So the next ingredient you must get if you have acne or dark spots is aloe vera gel. And that is because aloe vera heals the skin. It removes any imperfections on the skin. It soothes irritated skin and keeps the skin hydrated. Even if you have pimples on your skin, you need your skin to be hydrated. You need your skin to stay healthy so that you don't have all those skin problems anymore. So aloe vera is a must get. So the next ingredient is lemon juice. So lemon juice is super effective at clearing away dark spots, blemishes, hyperpigmentations. It contains natural bleaching agent, natural one of course, that will lighten and fade away those dark spots. So another benefit of lemon is that it helps to get rid of those acne or pimples, thanks to the antibacterial properties it contains that ensures you have no pimples anymore. So in case you have sensitive skin, those that have sensitive skin, please do not use lemon. Instead of lemon, you can get orange juice. Orange juice is more mild for you that have sensitive skin. So the next ingredient is honey. Yes, honey is so healing, especially if you have the natural one, like the one that is not adulterated. So honey helps to heal the skin, keeps the skin hydrated, of course, making sure your skin is glowing. You must add it in this treatment to get perfect result. So here is how to mix to get perfect result. You have to add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 or 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Then I added just little of lemon juice. So even if I don't have dark spots, I still have a little, you can see it, right? Little acne and pimples, and that is why I'm making this remedy. And I decided to show you guys the reason why this appeared, the little ones, is because I'm on my period, and most times I'm seeing my period, I always have some irritation, but after the period it clears away just like that. But I don't just leave it like that. I don't like it. So that is why I'm making this remedy to apply in just 3 days. It will just clear away. I love it. Some acne or pimples, when neglected, will lead to dark spots. That is what normally leads to dark spots. When you don't take care of it, it may just result to something else and making your face to look so dull and making it rough. So I don't need this. Then I added 1 tablespoon of honey. I mixed together to form this. You just need to add little. You don't need too much, except you want to apply all over your body. Sorry about the noise. That is my AC. Everywhere is hot. So little by little, just mix together until everything is smooth. Then you have to wash off, remove all dirt from your face. Use a gentle cleanser or soap meant for the facial skin. Use lukewarm water to wash your face to ensure this treatment penetrates well and work better. So right now my face is clean. I don't have makeup, I don't have dirt. Of course, I've washed my face before showing this remedy, and the reason is because I want this to work perfectly. I don't use makeup anyway, so I'll just go right now and apply this treatment all over to show you how it's done. So this quantity is for just my face. So in case you are treating, please target on only where you have dark spots. For example, you have dark spots around this area, or you have acne around one spot. Please target on only that place. Do not spread it all over. Remember what I said. If you have sensitive skin, please do not use lemon juice. You can use lemon from the fruits or from the can, as long as it's natural. So just touch only that area. Reason is because for those that want to treat dark spots, if you're a dark skin person like ebony skin, applying all over your face will make everywhere to be brighter than your body. So if you have dark spots on a particular place, it's best to do a spot treatment by targeting on that area alone, so that you will not end up having your facial skin lighter and your body darker. All right, so just apply it anywhere you have it and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. After that, you rinse it out. So we have very good skincare products. Like, if you don't know, contact through that WhatsApp. I'll also share with you some images. You know, that's my personal brand. Okay, so you can patronize. They're all natural, most very effective at making it look naturally beautiful. Any problem you have, contact and I'll show you the one that is meant for your skin type and complexion. So I will leave it on for 15-20 minutes, or you can just leave it on more than that. So I'll be right back to tell you the next thing to do. Stay tuned. So after washing it out, you just apply a light moisturizer. So for those that have acne, pimples, or you have oily skin, please use tea tree oil as a moisturizer. Or if you don't have tea tree oil, use a gentle, a light face cream that will not clog your face, that will not clog your pores to increase those pimples. So you need to select the oils. Tea tree oil is very penetrating and meant for acne. It gets rid of acne as well, but you must use this treatment before it can work. So for those that have dark spots, you still need to moisturize your skin. If you have dark spots and acne at the same time, just make sure that you stay moisturized. Moisturizing is very important. Okay, do not use anyhow products. If you want me to give you a product, contact through that WhatsApp, like I said, and I'll give you acne treatments or dark spot treatment, and your skin will look flawlessly beautiful. So here is neem powder. Neem powder, as you can see the name, you can add it for those that have very stubborn acne. You know, this is the powder of neem. You can add it. It contains antibacterial properties. Just a little powder, like half teaspoon. Add it in the paste and use it. It works for those that have severe stubborn acne, and thank me later. All right, so that is it, and make sure you use this treatment 3 times weekly to get rid of those acne and dark spots, and make sure you leave it on for the right time. Then wash it out using a lukewarm water, just like I did. So with consistency, you see your skin looking flawless. Some people, they just use this even if they don't have acne or dark spots, to keep their skin looking uniform and flawless. You can apply it on your neck to make sure that as that area is, you know, clearing out, and your neck is looking the same. So just get the ingredients from the supermarket, yes, or from the local market, and just do the right thing, follow the instructions, and you get perfect result. So that is it for now. This video will help you. Do not skip this video. Click on it and you see so many benefits that will help you, that will amaze you, that will make your skin look younger always. Even with no makeup, you'll be glowing perfectly, like you love your skin. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, share it as well. I'll see you next time.